Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. हम लोग केमिस्ट्री में डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पे वन बाय वन डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें जो कि बेसिक हैं, बेसिक चीज़ों का डिस्कशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं। इक्विलिब्रियम चैप्टर में तुम लोगों को काफ़ी चीज़ें बताई, जैसे कि पिछले क्लास में हमने रोस्टवाल डाइल्यूशन लॉ पे डिस्कस किया, जो कि काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है। आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कशन किया। आज हम सॉल्युबिलिटी और सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट इस पे डिस्कस करेंगे। इसके एप्लीकेशन क्या होते हैं, क्योंकि इसका यूज़ इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में, एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री में जब प्रैक्टिकल तुम लोगों ने किया होगा तो देखा होगा होता है। तो आज हम सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट या सॉल्युबिलिटी एंड सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट, जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल है ऑफ केमिस्ट्री का, इस पे हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। उसके अलावा उसके एप्लीकेशन और उसके कुछ न्यूमेरिकल जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती है उस पे भी हम एग्जाम्पल्स देख करके समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि न्यूमेरिकल किस तरह से किया जाता है। नाउ टुडेज टॉपिक इज सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट. To a given amount of solvent at particular temperature, a solute is added gradually in increasing amounts. A stage is reached when some of the solute remains undissolved, no matter how long we wait or how vigorously we stir. The solution is then said to be saturated. A solution which remains in contact with undissolved solute is said to be saturated. A saturated state, the quantity of the solute dissolved is always constant for the given amount of a particular solvent at a definite temperature. Now, in case the solute is an electrolyte, its ionization occurs in solution and degree of dissociation depends on the concentration of dissolved electrolyte at a particular temperature. Thus, in saturated solution of electrolytes, two equilibria exist, which is represented as AB solid, unionized dissolved solid, dissolved हो चुका है, ये इक्विलिब्रियम में है इसके, और उसके बाद जब इसको डिसोसिएशन हो गया A प्लस B माइनस में, तो ये इसके आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम में है इसके साथ। तो ये इस तरह से दो इक्विलिब्रियम स्टैब्लिश हो रहा है जब कोई सॉलिड या इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉलिड डिसॉल्व किया जाता है सॉल्वेंट में। The applying of law of mass action to the ionic equilibrium K is equal to A plus P minus मोलर कंसंट्रेशन लिया जाएगा या एक्टिव मास A अपॉन AB अपॉन AB. This is the equilibrium, the ionic equilibrium constant. Since the solution is saturated, the concentration of unionized molecule of the electrolyte is constant at a particular temperature. Means AB is equal to K dash is equal to constant. Hence A plus B minus is equal to K A B के बराबर हो जाएगा। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ए बी किसके बराबर है, के डैश के, तो ये के डैश is equal to Ks constant, and this Ks is known as solubility product. तो solubility product means ए बी कंसंट्रेशन और जो कांस्टेंट आया था उसका दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो क्या कहलाता है, solubility product. Now K terms as solubility product. It is defined as the product of the concentration of ions in saturated solution of an electrolyte at a given temperature. अब इसको और अच्छे तरह से समझने के लिए, now consider in general the electrolyte of type AXBY which is dissociated as AXBY when dissolved. This is dissociated as XAY plus plus चार्ज पर 1 और ये YB X माइनस, इस तरह से डिसोसिएट होगा और इक्विलिब्रियम इनके बीच स्टेब्लिश होगा। नाउ अप्लाइंग लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन हो जाएगा ए वाई प्लस एक्स मॉलिक्यूल है तो ऊपर टू द पावर एक्स, इसी तरह बी एक्स माइनस वाई मॉलिक्यूल है तो ब्रैकेट के ऊपर वाई टू द पावर वाई एंड ए एक्स बी वाई concentration नीचे is equal to K. When the solution is saturated, then AXBY is equal to K dash. Then AY plus XBX minus Y is equal to K. AXBY is equal to K. K dash is equal to KS constant. Now another definition of solubility product is here. The solubility product is defined, जो अभी जो derivation किया इसके basis पे the solubility product is defined as the product of concentration of the ions raised to a power equal to the number of times the ions occur in the equation representing the dissociation of the electrolyte at a given temperature when the solution is saturated. Now, solubility product is not the ionic product under all conditions, but only when the solution is saturated. Now, different expression for solubility product. First, electrolyte of the type AB. Its ionization represented as A is ionized as A plus B minus and Kf is equal to A plus B minus. Like examples, AgCl ionized as Ag plus and Cl minus. So Ks is equal to Ag plus Cl minus. In barium sulfate, this is dissociated into Ba2 plus plus SO4 2 minus. Then Ks is equal to Ba2 plus into SO4 2 minus. Now the electrolyte of the type AB2, the ionization occurs as AB2 ionized as A2 plus plus 2B minus. Ks is equal to A2 plus B, दो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं यहाँ तो B माइनस का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Examples like PbCl2 so is dissociate into Pb2 plus plus 2Cl minus. Then K is for PbCl2, Pb2 plus Cl minus 2. Like this, CaF2 dissociate into K and these ion and Ks is equal to K2 plus F minus whole square. Now electrolyte of the type A to B, the ionization is that A to A plus हो जाएगा इधर B to minus. तो K is equal to A plus whole square हो जाएगा, 2 molecules है और ये into B2 minus 2. For example, silver chromate Ag2CrO4 ionized as 2Ag plus CrO4 2 minus. Ks is equal to Ag plus 2 molecules a whole square into CrO4 2 minus. Like this, H2S dissociate into 2H plus and H2 minus. Then Ks is equal to H plus square into S2 minus. Now electrolyte of type A2B3, its ionization is represented as A2B3. This is ionized at 2A3 plus ion plus 3B2 minus. Ks is equal to A3 plus whole square and B2 minus ka whole B2 minus whole cube. Yeah, thrice. So A, like example of this type, AS2ST arsenic sulfide ionized as 2S3 plus and 3S2 minus. Ks is equal to AS3 plus हो जाएगा whole square and S2 minus whole thrice. Now S2B3, so ionized as 2SB3 and 3S2 minus Ks is equal to this. Now electrolyte of type AB3, it's ionized as AB3, A3 plus 3B minus. Then Ks is equal to A3 plus and B minus thrice. Now FeOH whole thrice, example are those Fe ferric hydroxide, Fe ionized as Fe3 plus and 3OH minus ion, and Ks is equal to Fe3 plus OH minus thrice, whole thrice, and Ali3 ionized as Al3 plus and 3I minus and Ks for is this. Now solubility product of weak electrolyte. Let degree of ionization of weak electrolyte AMBN be alpha. Then AMBN is equal to MAN plus NB minus. अब इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है टी, जो इनिशियल स्टेट में एस और इन दोनों की जीरो, आफ्टर टाइम टी एस माइनस एस है क्योंकि एस ए एस एन एस ए जो है ये एम है यहाँ पे, तो एस ए हो जाएगी इसकी वैल्यू और इसकी इतना ये आयनाइज हो रहा है, तो इसमें ये कितना बचेगा एस माइनस एस एल्फा। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं के एस पी सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट के लिए, तो ये हो जाएगा ए एन माइ प्लस होल एम बी एम माइनस होल एन, तो इसकी वैल्यूज रख देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा के एस पी इज इक्वल टू दिस, ये आ जाएगा एम एम एन एन एस एल्फा, दिस इज नॉट ए, दिस इज एल्फा एन प्लस एन। Now, criteria of precipitation of an electrolyte. Precipitation means जब दो reaction दो solution के बीच कराया जाए तो उसमें एक का precipitate बन के अलग हो जाए, उसको छान जो filter करके अलग कर लेते हैं। A very useful conclusion is derived from the solubility product concept. No precipitation of the electrolyte occurs if the ionic product is less than the solubility product. That is, the solution has not reached the saturation state. Now, case first. When ionic product KIP is less than solubility product, then solution is unsaturated in which more solute can be dissolved. In case second, when KIP is equal to KSP, this is ionic product product constant for ionic product, and this is solubility product. Then solution is saturated in which no more solute can be dissolved. In case third one, when KIP is more than ionization जो constant है, is more than solubility product, then solution is super saturated and precipitation takes place. So we see that for the precipitation, it is necessary to KIP is more than KSP, then the precipitation occurs. When the ionic product exceeds the solubility product, the equilibrium shift toward left hand side, that is increasing the concentration of undissociated molecules of the electrolyte. As the solvent can hold a fixed amount of electrolyte at a definite temperature, the excess of electrolyte is thrown out from the solution as precipitate. So this is the principle for the precipitation. Thus, for the precipitation of an electrolyte, it is necessary that the ionic product, that is KIP, must exceed its solubility product KSP. For example, if equal volume of 0.02 mAgNO3 solution and 0.02 mK potassium chromate solution are mixed, the precipitation of silver oxalate occurs at the ionic product exceeds the solubility product of Ag2CrO plus, which is 2 into 10 to the power minus 12. In the resulting solution, Ag plus is equal to डिवाइडेड बाई टू, बोथ जो कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है, तो उसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं एंड 2 से, तो ये दोनों के क्या मिल जाएंगे हमको, एक्टिव मॉसेस ऑफ आयंस। उसके बाद आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कितना होगा, दोनों के एक्टिव मास को हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आएगा 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6, और KSP कितना दिया हुआ है वो दिया हुआ है 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12. Then we see that 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 is higher than KSP, and thus precipitation of Ag silver chromate occurs. Now, relationship between solubility and solubility product. Salt like AgI, barium sulfate, this is silver iodide, lead sulfate, lead iodide, etc. are ordinarily considered insoluble, but they do possess some solubility. These are sparingly soluble electrolytes. A saturated solution of sparingly soluble electrolyte contain a very small amount of the dissolved electrolyte. It is assumed that whole of the dissolved electrolyte is present in form of ions, that is, it is completely dissociated. Now, the equilibrium for the saturated solution of any sparingly soluble salt may be expressed as AXPY in equilibrium with XAY plus and YBX minus. The solubility product for this is AY plus X BX minus Y. Let S mole per liter be the solubility of the salt. So एक्स एक्स सॉलिबिलिटी है दोनों की, सॉल्ट इस तरह से डिजॉल्व हो रहे हैं तो ये हो जाएगा एक्स एस और ये वाई एस. नाउ के एस इज इक्वल टू इन दोनों के एक्टिव मास की जगह एक्स 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 हो जाएगा, वाई एस वाई, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा एक्स एस इंटू वाई वाई इंटू एस एक्स प्लस वाई. Now one is one type sort like AgCl, AgI, PaSO4, PbSO4, binary electrolyte है ये. A plus AB dissociated as A plus B minus, S है दोनों की solubility. Let solubility of AB be S mole per liter. Ks is equal to a plus b minus s square हो जाएगा, then s is equal to root ks. Now 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1 type salt, for example silver carbonate and silver chromate, barium chloride, lead chloride, calcium fluoride, etc. Ternary electrolyte AB2 टाइप, तो A2 प्लस होगा 2 माइनस, यहाँ पे ए एस है, ये 2b है, तो ये 2s सॉलिबिलिटी हो गई दोनों की. द सॉलिबिलिटी ऑफ ए बी टू बी एस मोल, देन के एस इज इक्वल टू वैल्यूज रखी जाएगी, तो s इंटू 2s2 4s3, तो s इज इक्वल टू this. Now for the A to B types or electrolyte, 2A dissociate as 2A plus, it dissociate at 2A plus 2B plus B minus. Solubility इसकी 2S हो जाएगी और इस S हो जाएगी. Let S be the solubility of A to B also. Then Ks is equal to this values रखेंगे 2S whole square, S is equal to 4 S cube and S is equal to this. Now 1 is to 3 type sort like ALI3, FeOH whole thrice, CrOH whole thrice, aluminum hydroxide, etc. The quaternary electrolyte AB3 dissociate as A3 plus 3B minus. तो solubilities हो गई दोनों की. Let S mole per liter be solubility of AB3. Now Ks is equal to this. सारी values रखा तो S is equal to this. Let presence of common ion effects. The presence of common ion affect the solubility of a salt. This is the point to be noted. Let presence of common ion affect the solubility of the salt. Let AB be sparingly soluble salt in solution and A dash B be added to it. Let S and S dash be the solubilities of the salt AB before and after addition of the electrolyte. Now A dash B, let C be the concentration of A dash B. Then before addition of A dash B, Ks is equal to S square. After addition of A dash B, the concentration of A plus and B minus ions become S dash and S dash plus C respectively. Then Ks is equal to this. Now equating equation first and second. This is the first, this is second. Ks यहाँ पे भी है और Ks यहाँ पे भी है. तो ये हो जाएगा s स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू s डैश h डैश प्लस c. Now calculation of remaining concentration after precipitation. Sometimes an ion remains after precipitation if it is in excess. Remaining concentration can be determined as first case A plus left है अगर A plus ion को तो इसके लिए फार्मूला यूज करेंगे KSP, this is solubility product AB upon B minus. Like calcium कैल्शियम लेफ्ट है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में तो ये हो जाएगा KSCA होल स्क्वायर जो कि यहाँ पे AB की जगह पे ये है अपॉन OH माइनस का होल स्क्वायर. In case of A plus M left, then KSP AM BN and BM minus whole end up. Now the percentage precipitation of an ion is calculated as initial concentration minus left concentration. Left concentration इस तरह निकालेंगे. फिर initial concentration से left concentration minus करते हुए divide. This is divided by initial concentration into 100. This is the percentage precipitation of an ion. Now simultaneous solubility. Solubility of two electrolytes having common ion when they are dissolved in the same solution is called simultaneous solubility. That is solubility of AgBr and AgSCN when dissolved together. Solubility of calcium fluoride and strontium fluoride when dissolved together. And solubility of magnesium fluoride and calcium fluoride when dissolved together. Now calculation of simultaneous solubility is divided into two cases. First case, when the two electrolytes are almost equally strong, having close solubility product, then AgBr KSP is equal to this and AgHCl KSP is equal to 10 to the power minus 12. Solubility product should not differ largely. Hence, large balancing concept is applying. The charge of Ag plus is equal to charge of Br minus plus charge of SCN minus. Then Ag plus is equal to Br minus. Concentration दोनों का लेते हुए अब इसको हम A plus B हो जाएगा यहाँ A plus B और ये A होगा और ये B होगा. In the case second, when solubility product of two electrolytes are not close, that is they are not equally strong, then KF2 KSB is equal to this and this is equal to this. Now most fluorides ion come off is stronger electrolytes. उसके बाद कुछ एग्जाम्पल हैं तो हम इन एग्जाम्पल को देखने से पहले एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट इस पे पहले बात करना चाहेंगे ताकि जितनी भी तुम्हारी जो थ्योरेटिकल बातें हैं वो कंप्लीट हो जाए. उसके बाद हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल देखते चलेंगे. Application of solubility product. First application of solubility product, purification of common salt. Natural common salt consists of many insoluble and soluble impurities. Saturated solution of common salt is prepared and insoluble impurities are filtered off. Hydrogen chloride has HCl in circulated through the saturated solution. Now HCl and NaCl dissociate into their respective ion. Na plus Cl और यहाँ H plus तो कॉमन आयन कौन सा हो जाता है यहाँ पे Cl. The concentration of chloride ion increase considerably in solution due to the ionization of HCl. अभी देखा reaction से. Hence the ionic product Na plus Cl minus exceeds the solubility product of sodium chloride and therefore pure sodium chloride precipitates out from the solution. Now second application, salting out of soap. Soap is a sodium salt of higher fatty acid. From the solution, soap is precipitated by the addition of concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Soap and sodium chloride are present in the form of ion. This is the soap dissociate into this ion, negative ion and positive sodium ion. And when added sodium chloride, it dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus. Thus, the concentration of sodium ion increase considerably on addition of NaCl solution. Hence, the ionic product, this is ionic product, exceeds the solubility product of soap and therefore soap precipitates out from the solution. Now precipitation of the sulfide of group second and group third, जिन लोगों ने जो है ढंग से प्रैक्टिकल किया होगा उनको इस चीज़ के बारे में पता होगा कि प्रेसिपिटेशन किस तरह से होता है सल्फाइड और यानी प्रैक्टिकल तो पता है उसका क्यों प्रेसिपिटेशन हो जाता है ग्रुप सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ का, ये है यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड यानी H2S gas. Hydrogen sulfide is a weak electrolyte and is used for the precipitation of various sulfide of group second and fourth in qualitative analysis. It consists to a small, it ionizes to a small extent in water, H2S, 2H plus and S2 minus. Applying law of mass action, K is equal to H plus whole cube हो जाएगा H2 minus upon H2S. The concentration of sulfide ion can be decreased by increasing concentration of H plus ion. जब acidic medium होगा HCl डाला जाएगा यहाँ पे तो H plus ion increase कर जाएंगे. Decreasing concentration of H plus ion. फिर से आ जाते हैं. The concentration of sulfide ion can be decreased by the increasing concentration of hydrogen ion and it can be increased by decreasing concentration of H plus ion. In group second, lower concentration of sulfide ion is required as the solubility product of the sulfide of group second are low, while higher concentration of sulfide ions is required in group 4 as the solubility product of the sulfides of group 4 are high. The values of solubility product of various sulfides are given here. तो ये हैं ग्रुप सेकंड के सल्फाइड जिनका सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. ये सारे सेकंड ग्रुप के बिस्मिथ मरकरी कॉपर ये सब क्या है सेकंड ग्रुप में है और जिनके सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. और इधर ये है फोर्थ ग्रुप में, हालांकि ये कोबाल्ट निकिल जिंक मैंगनीज ये फोर्थ ग्रुप में है और जिनके सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट यहाँ दिए. तो दोनों के कंपैरिजन में देख सकते हो कि सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोर्थ ग्रुप इज मोर देन फर्स्ट सेकंड ग्रुप. पूरी टेबल को एक बार फिर से देख लो. solubility product of fourth group and solubility product of second group. तो इसको नोट भी कर सकते हो. The concentration of sulfide ion in group second is lowered by maintaining acidic medium. In the presence of HCl, the ionization of H2S is suppressed due to common ion effect. The concentration is so adjusted that only ionic product of the sulfide of group second exceeds their solubility product and therefore get precipitated. However, cadmium sulfide has somewhat higher value for this precipitation. Dilution of the solution is done which increase ionization of H2S and thereby increasing concentration of sulfide ion. Now in fourth group. In fourth group, higher concentration of sulfide ion is needed. This is done by the changing the medium from acidic to alkaline. Ammonium hydroxide aided the OH ions furnished by the NH4 plus removed H plus ion and form solution in the form of the water. तो H plus ion को जो OH अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से मिलता है वो मिलकर के वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बना लेता है. More of the ionization of H2S occurs in this state and thus concentration of sulfide ion increase. It becomes so high that ionic product of the sulfides of group 4 exceed their solubility product and they get precipitated. Now precipitation of hydroxide of third group. Ammonium hydroxide is a precipitating agent in group third of the qualitative analysis. It is a weak electrolyte and ionized in water as NH4 plus and OH minus. The concentration of hydroxyl ion is so large that not only the hydroxide of group third, uh, these are the hydroxide of group third, ferric hydroxide, chromium hydroxide, and aluminum hydroxide, but the hydroxide of higher groups also get precipitated. The solubility product of various hydroxide are given here. इस तरह से ग्रुप थर्ड के हाइड्रोक्साइड की का सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट और ये है ग्रुप फोर्थ की वैल्यू हाई होती है जबकि इन ग्रुप थर्ड के हाइड्रोक्साइड की वैल्यू कम होती है. In order to precipitate only the hydroxide of third group, the OH ion concentration must be lowered. This is achieved by the use of ammonium chloride before the addition of ammonium hydroxide. The increased concentration of ammonium ion suppress the ionization of NH4OH. Under this condition, the ionic product of hydroxide of group third along exceed their solubility product and therefore get precipitated. Now, using of excess of precipitating agent in gravimetric analysis. So, as to ensure complete precipitation in gravimetric analysis, an excess of precipitating agent is always used. In gravimetric analysis, barium is precipitated as barium sulfate. No doubt, barium sulfate is an insoluble substance, but it possesses a measurable solubility. To decrease the solubility, the concentration of sulfate ion is increased by the use of little excess of sulfuric acid. The ionic product barium sulfate and sulfate exceed the solubility product of the barium sulfate and it is precipitated more completely. Now precipitation of calcium oxalate from calcium acetate. The solubility product provides an answer why oxalic acid precipitates calcium oxalate from calcium acetate solution but not from calcium chloride or calcium nitrate. The reaction between calcium acetate and oxalic acid is as this is the reaction. This is oxalic acid. This is calcium acetate to form CaC2O4 and acetic acid. This is calcium oxalate. Now the concentration of oxalate ion is sufficient to make the ionic product Ca2 plus C2O2 minus whole twice greater than the solubility product of calcium oxalate. This is the acetic acid formed is weak acid and thus not affect the ionization of oxalic acid. In case of calcium chloride or calcium nitrate, the acid form a strong acid which ionize completely in solution. The common H plus ions suppress the ionization of oxalic acid, thereby decreasing the concentration of oxalate ion. Under this condition, the ionic product does not exceed the solubility product and thus precipitation of calcium oxalate does not occur. Now predicting precipitation reaction, the substance get precipitated when the ionic product exceeds their solubility. Product इसके बारे में पहले डिस्कस हो चुका है. तो ये थ्योरेटिकल पॉइंट है. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट, उससे पहले सॉल्युबिलिटी और सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सारी थ्योरेटिकल चीजें जानी. दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट अबाउट द केमिस्ट्री. अब हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स जो सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे कलेक्ट की गई है उसको हम देखते हैं किस तरह से किया जाएगा. Yes, this is the example. The solubility product of silver chloride is 1.5625 into 10 to the power minus 10 at 25 degrees centigrade. Find its solubility in gram per liter. Let us solubility of AgCl be S mole per liter. जो इससे पहले पढ़ा है वो सारी चीजें माइंड में रखनी होगी, तभी ये समझ में आएगा कि कैसे सॉल्व होता जा रहा है. AgCl डिसोसिएटेड Ag प्लस प्लस Cl माइनस, दोनों की सॉल्युबिलिटी हो गई SS. Then S square is equal to this and S is equal to this. Now molecular mass of AgCl, Ag का होता है 108 and chlorine का 35.5 is 143. Then the solubility in gram per liter is equal to mole mass into solubility. This is by formula. So this is when the value of putting this, we get the solubility in gram per liter 1.79 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter. The solubility of lead sulfate in water is 0.038 gram per liter at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate its solubility product at the same temperature. Now solubility S of the barium sulfate, इस तरह से निकालेंगे इसको. Solubility product upon molecular mass of PbSO4. The solubility of water upon molecular mass of solubility in water. लेड सल्फेट की solubility वाटर में जितनी है उसको डिवाइड करेंगे molecular mass of लेड सल्फेट से, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? solubility of लेड सल्फेट. अब solubility of लेड सल्फेट मालूम हो गई, तो रिएक्शन इसका इस तरह से होगा. अब के S इज इक्वल टू Pb2 प्लस S2 माइनस, तो ये हो जाएगा S इंटू एस इज इक्वल टू एस स्क्वायर. अब इन दोनों को की जो वैल्यूज निकाली है यहाँ पे उसको रख देंगे, तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट Ks. The concentration of Ag plus ion in a saturated solution of Ag2CrO4 at 20 degrees centigrade in 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter. Determine the solubility product of Ag2CrO4 at 20 degrees centigrade. The solution is that the equilibrium इस तरह से establish होगा, reaction इस तरह से होगा. On the basis of this equation, the concentration of chromate ion will be half of the concentration of Ag plus है, क्योंकि ये Ag2 plus, ये 2Ag plus है और ये 1, तो इसका अगर S होगा तो ये हाफ हो जाएगा, half of the constant. Thus Ag plus equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then this is half हो जाएगा, divided by 2, तो हो जाएगा chromate ion का concentration 0.75 into 10 to the power minus 4m. Then Ks is equal to any product, ionic product for Ag plus and CrO4 is, दोनों की वैल्यूज रखने पे ionic product हमें मिलेगा. The solubility product of barium sulfate is this 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Find out the solubility in pure water and in point M barium chloride solution. The reaction is this. Let S be the solubility in mole per liter. Then Ks is equal to हो जाएगा Ba2 plus SO42 minus is equal to S square. अब यहाँ k इसकी वैल्यू दी है तो s इज इक्वल टू s स्क्वायर, तो s इज इक्वल टू दिस. लेट S dash be the solubility of barium sulfate in 0.1 m barium chloride. Then barium total barium ion concentration S dash plus C हो जाएगा and sulfate ion concentration S dash. Then so Ks is equal to सारी वैल्यूज रखने पे इसकी वैल्यू दी हुई है तो इसकी वैल्यू हमें इस यहाँ पे इस तरह रखेंगे तो S dash square is equal to this. And neglecting S dash square, 0.1 S dash is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Then S dash is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 10. The solubility product of lead iodide is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 8. Calculate its molar solubility in 0.1 mKi solution. Let the solubility of PbI2 be S. Then reaction इस तरह से होगा PbI2 dissociate into Pb2 plus and 2i minus. तो ये S है तो ये 2S हो जाएगा और इसकी वैल्यू S यानी solubilities है ये सबकी. Potassium iodide is a strong electrolyte and is completely ionized. It shall provide I minus concentration 0.1 m. Then Pb2 plus is equal to S. I minus is equal to 2S plus 0.1 m. Then Ksp is equal to सारी वैल्यूज रखेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 4s cube plus 0.01s plus 0.54s2. Neglecting s cube and s square, we get 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 8 is equal to 0.101s is equal to s में सारी वैल्यूज रखने पे आ जाएगा 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now another example, the solubility product of lead bromide is 8 into 10 to the power minus 5. If the salt is 80% dissociated in saturated solution, find the solubility of the salt. Now let S be the solubility of the salt. Degree of degree of dissociation of the salt 0.8. Now reaction is this, तो ये हो जाएगा 0.8s और ये हो जाएगा 2 into 0.8s. दोनों की solubility सेम होती है. KSP के लिए ये फार्मूला हो जाएगा, दोनों की वैल्यूज रखने पे हमें S cube is equal to this, and after we solve we get 3.39 into 10 to the power minus 2 liter. Now molecular mass of lead bromide is 367. इसको कैलकुलेट करके देखोगे solubility of lead bromide हो जाएगी so this into this S into molecular mass of barium chloride. This 20 ml of 0.001 mAgNO3 solution is added to 1 liter of 0.002 m potassium chromate solution. Will there be any precipitation? Ksp of Ag2CrO4 is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now number of mole of Ag plus ion in 20 ml, 20 upon 1000 हो जाएगा. लीटर में कन्वर्ट किया into 0.1100. 1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is the number of mole of Ag plus in 20 ml of. Now number of moles of chromate ion, तो 0.002 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 लिख सकते हैं. After mixing, total volume of the solution is this. The Ag plus ion हो जाएगा, इसका कंसंट्रेशन इस तरह निकालेंगे यानी टोटल वॉल्यूम से डिवाइड करते हैं जो वैल्यू दी होती है उसको. इसी तरह क्रोमेट का एक्टिव मास दोनों का आयनिक प्रोडक्ट के लिए दोनों का रख करके कैलकुलेट करने पे वैल्यू आएगी ये. There will be no precipitation of Ag2Cr2O7 as ionic product is less than the solubility प्रोडक्ट, तो जो सोलिबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट दिया है आयनिक प्रोडक्ट उससे क्या है, कम है। The solubility product of silver iodide is 10 to the power minus 17 and that of silver chloride is 10 to the power minus 10. If AgNO3 is added dropwise to an aqueous solution of potassium chloride and potassium iodide, which will precipitate first, silver chloride or silver iodide? Now this is the reaction AgNO3 KCl, तो Ag ये बन रहा है KSPAgCl है 10 to the power minus 10 and AgNO3 when reacts with Ki then KSP is equal to 10 to the power minus 17. क्या है, precipitation of a salt takes only when the ionic product exceeds solubility product. Thus AgI will be precipitated first because its ionic product will exceed solubility product. Lesser is the solubility product, easy will be the precipitation. तो इस तरह से ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखें सॉल्युबिलिटी और सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में। solubility product and application of solubility product and common ion effect, ये सारी चीज़ें एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड हैं। तो सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जब कंप्लीट स्टडी होगी तब ये सारी हर चीज़ अलग अलग क्लियर होगी। तो इस चैप्टर को बार बार पढ़ करके सारी चीज़ें क्लियर करना है।